I'm Amanda Haynes, your Orlando Realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Whether you're buying or selling, give me a call to get the best deal for your home. As we come through the entry, you have this space here to the right. You can make it a dining room or an office. Some of your standard features in the kitchen are the granite countertops. You also have the 36-inch upper cabinets, a large pantry for storing all of your foods, over by the sliding glass door, you have your patio and your kitchenette. This community has 96 lots. There's vacant lots if you're interested in building, and inventory homes that are available now. So if that's something you're interested in, please just give me a call and I can give you their availability. You have a nice sized living space. Full-size bathroom, and then your 2-car garage. This is your first bedroom, great for guests. They would have the whole downstairs area and their own bathroom. And the remaining bedrooms are upstairs, so I'll take you up to the 2nd floor. At the top of the stairs, you have your laundry room. It's nice when you have your laundry room on the same floor as all of your bedrooms. This would be your 2nd bedroom. They made it a cute nursery. Some upstairs living space and your loft. And then we have the other 2 bedrooms separated by a full-size bathroom. So this is your 3rd bedroom. You have a full-size bathroom with a double vanity and a shower tub. And your 4th bedroom. This is the rainbow room. So our last bedroom is the owner's suite. It's on the other side of the stairs. We have some nice closet space for storing things. I love the headboard in the master. The decorators do a great job. Very elegant. You have your master bathroom, a walk-in closet, and then you have a 2nd closet over here with the window. So if you have any questions, you want to see this home, please give me a call. My name is Amanda Haynes, and I would love to show you around. Bye-bye.